we can accomplish with digital dentistry today is impressive. Transitioning from analog to digital may be a little bit daunting, but the process is much simpler than you think. If you grasp the underlying Cerec technology, you can simplify how you use it. By thinking like a machine, you'd be amazed at what digitization can offer. My name is Devika Iyer. I'm a dentist with over 20 years of experience in digital dentistry. I didn't grow up with computers. In fact, I came from a time when mobile phones were like bricks, and I really couldn't afford one. But today, mobile phones are everywhere. When I started my practice in 1998, I decided to go paperless and integrate technology into my clinic. At the time, everyone was averse to technology, but I felt it was the future. And today, nothing has changed. We are future-proofing our practices. I discovered Cerec 3, a real game changer for me. It transformed my practice and it transformed my relationship with technology. I was deeply engrossed with the question, why did Cerec produce the restorations in such a way? And what can I do as a practitioner to improve my outcomes? This led me to a point where I totally got to know the system. I just understood the algorithm. Today, my practice is fully digital in every workflow. My nurses aren't even familiar with traditional impressions, as we've used digital workflows for years. My mission is to inspire dentists just like you to explore the transformative world of digital dentistry. It's much easier than you think. Blending digital technology with surgery became my most thrilling undertaking. My master thesis delved into the integration of Cerec Guide with immediate implant placement. I went to Cerec Center in Bernheim, Germany for advanced training. These digital workflows were quite challenging at the time, but today they're so much easier. Now, this is my personal journey with Cerec. Now let's turn our attention to building your unique My Cerec journey. Now, in this era of innovation, being a dentist is more thrilling than ever. It's not just about tech. It's about transforming the way we run our practices, making things easier and more efficient. It's about facing the challenges head on, developing a counter-conventional mindset and innovating something new. But mostly it's about providing the best patient care. My Cerec is all about sharing my knowledge and offering you a straightforward system that automates design and simplifies workflows. This allows you to take Cerec into your practice to the next level. Thank you for watching, and if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you later.